With New Mexico gaining ground in its battle with the coronavirus, the state's top doctors and leaders are now starting to look ahead to the fall. Here is News 13's Brittany Bay.
Dean, Health and Human Services Secretary Dr. David Scray says they are seeing everything you would want to be seeing right now. He and the medical advisory team are talking about how to safely reopen schools in the fall and plan out mass antibody testing.
I think it's sort of a summer, fall kind of a thing. It's actually more helpful to do it after the first wave of the epidemic, because then less people have symptoms and you're sure about you're testing the right people.
New Mexico officially reached its peak of cases on May 1st. Scray says today, even the hard-hit northwest region of the state now has a spread rate of about 1.1%, which is lower than the state's target spread rate. Scray says the Department of Health is working on a plan to test large groups of people for antibodies in different quadrants of the state to get a better picture of how the virus has spread. But that will not happen right away. Right now, the state is working with a handful of FDA-approved labs that are mainly just reporting the positive antibody test results. Though Scray tells us they are writing up a public health order that would require those labs to send both positive and negative test results.
It would be unusual for most infectious disease tests. We don't require negative test results to be reported, only positive tests. But in a situation like this where we're in it for such a long haul, everybody agrees that having those negative results would help.
Scray warns it is still not clear if a person with COVID antibodies will be immune to the virus, and if so, for how long. Now, in regards to reopening schools, no plan has been laid out yet. However, our neighboring states have announced plans that include taking students and staff's temperatures daily and a mix of in-person and online classes. Dean?
All right, Brittany, thank you. The medical advisory team meets weekly. We have a link to those meetings. Just go to alwaysonkrqe.com.